Hi, my name's Derek. This is my channel. It's either gonna work or it ain't. Garage, and we're gonna build some engines, play with some cars, see if we can make them funner. I bought a truck with a rod dock, and I got this engine out already. You can see how to do that on the other channel. And this engine I had sitting on my garage floor, considered it a core. I knew it ran when it came out. I never drove it, but it sounded good. It's 40 over, so it's a 357 small block Chevy. I'm going to slap this together. I had these Vortec heads sitting around. Throw them on there. I bought a roller cam, to make it a little funner than like the factory roller from a Vortec. This one is a 206 with 500 lift, and these heads, little gasket matching, and bowl blended, and the exhaust ports are polished and bowl blended. They should flow probably 20-30 CFM more than stock, which is pretty damn good. So that should make it a lot more funner. Anyway, this channel isn't going to be about showing you how to do the basics. We're going to get into this engine. Is a small block Chevy 434 that I started before I had the channel, and we're going to show you what you have to do to the block to make it work. Fun stuff like that. You know the basics already. You can go to another channel for the basics. That's not me. We're gonna do things that are either gonna work or they ain't. And while we're doing them, we got to make sure we stay hydrated. That's very important. All right, this is my first test video. This is the little garage right now. The big garage is too messy to work in, but eventually I'm hoping to get there. All right. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for when I post another one.